How to fix GeoCinema error 404. Hello friends, welcome back to Tech2. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 easy steps to solve this GeoCinema issue. Here are some solutions you can try to fix it. First, restart the app. Close the GeoCinema app completely and relaunch it. It can sometimes clear temporarily glitch. Okay, so to do this, just close the GeoCinema app completely and reopen it and then check. And second step is check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening other website or apps to confirm connectivity. You can open any other app like YouTube and all to check your mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection. Third step is turn airplane mode on and off. This can sometimes reset your network connection. Toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it off. Okay, to do this, open notification drawer. Okay, so here is airplane mode, just on and off, and then check if the issue is persist. Okay, so you have to clear app cache and data. To do this, long press on GeoCinema application. Now tap on this app info icon. Scroll down, tap on storage. Now tap on cache. Here is clear cache and clear data. So clear cache and clear data. And check, again go there and check permission also. If any permission is not allowed, so allowed them. Okay, so here are mine 4 permission is not allowed, so I will allow it one by one. Fifth step is update the app. An outdated GeoCinema app might have bugs that have been fixed in a newer version. Open the Play Store and check for update. If update is available, install it. So open Play Store and search for GeoCinema and check for update. If there is any update, update it. Sixth step is reinstall the app. If the above steps don't work, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall the GeoCinema from your phone setting app and then reinstall it from the Play Store. Okay, to reinstall, open Play Store and search for GeoCinema and then uninstall it and install it again. Okay, after doing it all, you have to simply just restart your device. To restart your device, long press on your power button and restart your device. Okay, after doing this, your GeoCinema error will be vanished. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to Tech2.